Welcome to Rickybaby'S kitchen. Tonight I'm preparing a pork chop to be grilled tomorrow. So it's gonna be a short video and continue tomorrow for the grilling. Okay, without further ado, let's start preparing my pork chop recipe. So you have to lay down the pork chop one by one. Yes, one by one. The reason for this is when you sprinkle the salt and the garlic powder, I just make. Okay, let's get some here. Okay. So, here. So the first one, I have to sprinkle salt. There you go. Just a little bit salt. I used to be like this. I use like this. Okay. Garlic powder. Garlic powder. And black pepper. Then you have to do the same sequence at the other side of this pork chop. Yeah. Okay. The reason why I added or put aluminum foil here, it's easy, they call it clean up hacks. When you're done cleaning up, when you're done sprinkling all these ingredients, you just grab the this aluminum foil and throw in the trash can. Quick, clean, and you save time in cleaning. So we're gonna add your garlic powder here. Okay. And salt. So, I think I missed this one. I missed the garlic powder in this one. The next step is you have to get like, what do you call this? Cooking dish. So it needs to be big enough and deep enough to submerge your additional ingredients. So leave it like this. Okay. There. Okay. Now the second part is the okay. Sprite. The reason why I added Sprite, it will make the pork chop tender. And you added the garlic. The more garlic you put in, the more it tastes good. And okay. And then I use this again, citrus, to add flavor to our pork chop. So just squeeze in. Or if I can use this one, but to save you time, we can just use this. with our gloves now because I'm ready to squeeze this citrus, in other words, calamansi. Yes, squish it. Oops. Squish it. Okay. My own way of doing the citrus is 1:1, or it depends. You just have to taste it. You flavor it, and that's the way I measured my ingredients. So I test it after I squeeze this citrus, and I just leave it here because this citrus, after this, I have to put it the pork chop and leave it overnight. Okay, then you add this pork chop, and this is the best part. The best part is, be sure you have a gloves. You have to squeeze it in. Squeeze it in. So the ketchup that I'm using is a little bit of spicy. It's not really spicy, but just a little bit of spicy. Here. So I noticed that there's not enough ketchup in this. So I added additional a little bit to make it more. A little bit more. Only problem this. 1, 2, 3. That's it. And let's put it back. Okay. So you mix it. Thoroughly mix it. Be sure that the other part of the pork chop will get the ingredients, although you had to put this in the refrigerator overnight. To make more tastier in the pork chop, your grilled pork chop, you have to leave it overnight, at least 15 to 20 hours. That's my own opinion. That to make it more tastier, need to be 15 hours to 24 hours. So I make it today because I'm planning this to cook tomorrow afternoon, probably around 4 o'clock p.m. So again, so that's it. Now the last part is you have to put this on top. Okay, so far it looks good. So far it looks good. Now, some cook or some chef added a little bit of sugar, but I won't do it because I use Sprite to make it sweeter. Oh, to make this more tender pork chop. Okay, so that's it. Be sure that. Okay. Now, it's up to you if you once you taste it. I want to taste it. My own way of tasting it is this sauce. If it's already good enough. See, I taste already the spicy and the citrus of this. See, even it's only just how many minutes. Can you imagine tomorrow? So again, this is the way I prepared my pork chop to be grilled tomorrow. Okay, so the next video is when we grilled it and we tasted and eat it with steamed rice. Thank you. Good afternoon. Today is the cooking day. I have my chimney here. This is my charcoal hacks, how to burn your charcoal faster. And this is my marinated pork chop from last night. I forgot one ingredient to tell you that I added 60 ml of soy sauce to make it more flavored, to complete the marination of the pork chop. And this is my grill. This charcoal right here that I'm holding, this charcoal, I'm gonna transfer right here. Okay, see that? I'm transferring the charcoal. Now I'm ready for grilling the pork chop and my extra 7 fish of pampano. This pampano, I marinated it today, this morning, because I have visitors coming this afternoon or probably around 5 o'clock. So thank you, and the next is we're gonna be eating after I cook this. So thank you. Cooking here. Now I'm ready to cook my pork chop. Cook my pork chop. You want only one. One, good. My moringa. See? See the sauce? Just the extra sauce, you can use it for basting. Yeah. Yummy. Okay. Back. Just seven pork chop. This is good. This is juicy, very juicy pork chop.
You should take this.
Which one?
That one, because I might drop it.
Okay. Okay, I want to try now my pampano. Citrus. This is soy sauce, vinegar with black pepper and a little bit of garlic. See? Okay. I'm gonna use my 10 fingers, bare hands. If you can zoom my fish, let's see. Zoom the fish. You zoom the fish. Look at that. Tender. The fish, the stuffing, side. See? Right there. Oh. Yeah. You go like this. Let's go eat. This is Rickybaby'S kitchen. Ricky Baby. It's really good. See that? It's juicy. Can you zoom the fish? Look this. See that? It's so juicy with the tomato. And then you get a dip here. Get to do dipping. Oops, I dropped the fish. And you go like this. Enjoy with your 5 fingers. Continue. Ngon không? Không hả? Yes. Last one. Fish. Look at that. Juicy. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Share this video for the next vlog about me cooking mussels or maybe pasta, shrimp pasta. Okay, last drop, last call. See that? Juicy. Like, share this video to your friends for the next vlog, culinary vlog. This is your host, Ricky Baby, your visional comedian. Before I get out this video, there's a short dance for you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.